Jobs vocabulary in English, Part 5. From W to Z. W. Waiter. Waiter. Waitress. Waitress. Washer. Washer. Weaver. Weaver. Web developer. Web developer is a computer programming professional who specializes in the development of World Wide Web applications. Web analyst. Web analyst, responsible for analyzing maintenance and web development costs. Webmaster. Webmaster develops and manages websites according to their clients' needs. They ensure that websites are secure, functional, visually appealing, user-friendly, and consistently updated. Welder. Welder. Wholesaler. Wholesaler provides sales strategies, concepts, marketing ideas, and support to financial advisors in collaboration with VP, sales, and sales associate. Winder. Winder. Writer. Writer. X. Xactimate specialist. Xactimate specialist coordinates with insurance or construction companies to create and submit estimates for proposals. Xamarin developer. Xamarin developer uses Xamarin, an open source tool, to design, develop, and build cross-platform mobile applications for both Android and iOS apps. X-ray technician. X-ray technician takes X-rays of patients' internal anatomy to aid physicians in diagnosing illnesses, diseases, or injuries. X-ray technologist. X-ray technologist performs medical exams using X-rays on patients to create images of specific parts of the body. Y. Yacht broker. Yacht broker, a specialist who serves yacht or boat sellers and or buyers as a representative for the sale or purchase of a yacht or boat. Yard driver. Yard driver. Yardman. Yardman. Yield engineer. Yield engineer. Yoga instructor. Yoga instructor. Youth worker. Youth worker. Z as in American English, or Z as in British English. Zookeeper. Zookeeper. Zombie instructor. Zombie instructor. So, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel and you find what I present is so useful for you, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get all my updates. Thanks for watching.